In this video, we will give you a complete overview of the Inmoconnect affiliate dashboard. You will get a clear understanding of the full backend, where everything is located, what the main sections do, and how to navigate through the platform. By the end of this video, you will have a solid basic knowledge of the affiliate dashboard. In the top right corner, you see your account name, next to your profile picture. Once you hover over it, a drop-down menu appears with 3 options. My Profile, where you can view and edit your profile. The next option is Change Password, and the last option is Log Out. The next button is Notifications. When you hover over it, you will see all your notifications in the drop-down menu. The next button is Messages. When you hover over it, you will see all your messages with other Inmoconnect members. The next button is Connection Requests. When someone sends you a connection request, you will see a notification appear here. The last option is Change Language. By default, it is set to English. You can switch the language by selecting another language from this menu. When you are logged in to the affiliate dashboard, you will see the following important information and options. In the first section, you can see key statistics, how many sub-affiliates you have, remaining seats, the total number of resale properties in your portfolio, and how many new builds are in your portfolio. You will also see the total number of leads received and the total number of properties sold. In the next section, you will find My Portfolio. There is a bright orange button that allows you to go directly to your portfolio with one click. Below that is the Task Master section. Task Master is your personal to-do list. It shows your tasks for today, upcoming tasks, and completed tasks. When used properly, it becomes your best tool to stay organized when you are busy. Under Task Master, you have the Quick Actions block. This gives you fast access to the most used functions: Property Search, Property Leads, My Inventory, and My Portfolio. Below that, you have 2 useful boxes. The first is the internal messaging board, where you can leave notes for yourself or your team. You can even add attachments if needed. Next to it is the agenda, where you can see upcoming events and quickly add new ones such as calls, viewings, or meetings. Further down, you will find all your property leads. You can take action on them directly from this section. Finally, there is the team activity log. Here you can see everything your team members have done in the system. This helps you stay informed about who did what. Now we will explore the menu on the left-hand side. We will go through all the options from top to bottom. The first menu option is To-Do List. When you click on it, you will be taken to the Task Management page. Here you can see today's to-do list and all to-do list. To add a new task, click on the bright orange button, Add New To-Do List. This page will help you organize your workflow and effectively manage everything: your team, tasks, deadlines, and more. In the menu below To-Do List, you will find My Inventory. In My Inventory, you can see all the properties that are part of your property inventory. The properties are divided into 2 categories: resale properties and new build projects. Resale properties are listed by agencies, while new build projects are listed directly by developers. On the right side of each listing, you have 2 options: View Property or Development, which opens all the details of that property, and Delete, which removes the listing from your inventory. The next menu option is Lead Management. On this page, you can see all the leads you have received on properties. In this section, you will see the leads that have come in. On the right side of each lead, you will find an envelope icon. Clicking this allows you to email the lead directly. Next to the envelope is an Action button. When you click it, you can manage the lead. The available options are View Lead, Make Offer, Delete, Assign Lead, and Invite to Inmoconnect. If the lead has already been invited, it will show Invited to Inmoconnect. The next option in the left menu is My Portfolio. Here you can manage all your different portfolios. On this page, you will see all the portfolios you have created. You can also create a new portfolio by clicking the bright orange button, Create New Page. I already have a portfolio named Costa Blanca. To manage each portfolio, you will find the action buttons on the right side. The first action is View Portfolio. Click on the eye icon to open the portfolio in a new tab, where you can view it and easily share the link with clients or on social media. Next to the eye icon is a notepad icon that lets you copy the portfolio URL with one click. The pen icon allows you to edit the portfolio page. Finally, the red bin icon lets you permanently delete the portfolio. The next option in the left menu is Saved Items. Saved Items works as your personal favorites page. If you favorite a property, it will appear here so you can easily find it back later. On the right side of each saved item, you will see the View Property button. Clicking this button will directly take you to the full property page. The View Property page opens in a new tab, and here you can see all the information about the property. The next option in the left menu is Search. There are two search options: Resale Property and New Build. Resale properties are existing properties sold by agencies, while new builds are newly constructed developments offered by developers. We will explore resale property first. When you click on Resale Property, the Property Search page opens. At the top of the page you see Property Search, followed by all the available search filters. Once you have set your desired filters, click the bright orange Search button. In the lower part of the page, you will see the search results with all the property information. On the right side of each property, there is a blue View Property button. Clicking this will open the full property page. Below the View Property button, there is a heart icon. Click the heart to save the property to your saved items. When the heart turns completely red, it means the property has been successfully added to your favorites. The next option in the left menu is New Build. The page looks similar to the Resale Property search. The search filters work the same way. For each development, you will see a blue View Development button that opens the full details of the project. There is also a bright orange Add to My Profile button. Clicking this allows you to quickly add the development or multiple developments to your portfolio. The next section in the left menu is Connection. The first option is Search Connection. When you click on it, the Search Connection page opens. At the top, you have a search bar with filters if you want to find a specific person or company. Below that, you will see a list of contacts you can connect with. To search, press the bright orange Search button on the right side. Before you can collaborate, you need to send a connection request to an agency or developer first, as both parties must agree to the collaboration. To send a request, simply click the blue Send Connection Request button. Below Search Connection, you will find My Agents. When you click on it, the My Agents page opens. This page shows all the agents you are connected with. It basically works as your personal contact book. At the top, you have a search bar with a bright orange Search button on the right. Below that, you will see all your connections with agents, including their name and contact details. On the right side of each agent, you have several options. The WhatsApp button opens a chat directly with the agent. The blue View Connection button shows the details of your connection. The Send Message button lets you start a chat. The last option is Remove, written in red. Only click this if you want to remove the agent from your list. Below My Agents, you will find My Developers. When you click on it, the My Developers page opens. The page is similar to My Agents, but this one is specifically for developers you are connected with. The next page is My Clients. On this page, you can see all the clients you have. At the top, there are two tabs: My Clients and Company's Clientele. You can switch between your personal clients and the company's clients. In the top right, you will find two orange buttons. The first one lets you import bulk contacts, and the second one lets you add a single client. In the lower part, you will see your clients. You can see their status. If the status says invited, it means the client has already been invited to Inmoconnect. Behind the status, there is an action button. Clicking it allows you to perform several actions with that client. The next page is called Team Management. When you click on it in the left menu, it will take you to the Team Management page. Here you can see all your team members and their information. You can add a new sub-affiliate by clicking the bright orange button in the top right corner that says Add Sub-Affiliate. The next option in the menu is Messages. When you click on it, you will be taken to the Inmoconnect chat system. You have 3 tabs: Private, Group, and Contacts. In Private, you will find all your one-on-one conversations. In Group, you will find your group chats. And in Contacts, you will find all your contacts. The next option in the left menu is Email. You can connect your email account so you can send and receive emails directly from within the Inmoconnect system. No need to switch between different apps or websites. This system is designed to be all-in-one. You can set up your email by clicking the Set Your Email Account button in the top right corner. This will take you to the setup page where you can connect your email. Here you can log in with your Google account, Yahoo account, or use custom settings if your company has a dedicated email server. If you are struggling with the setup, there is a user manual available. You can access it by clicking the User Manual button. The next option in the menu is My Projects. In My Projects, you will find all the projects you are collaborating on with agencies or developers. If you don't have any active collaborations yet, the page will be empty and you will only see the general information. The next option in the menu is My Projects. When you have shared projects, you will see a dedicated dashboard. At the top, you have an overview showing your total projects, ongoing projects, overdue projects, and completed projects. Below that, you will see your property collaboration projects. Here you can see the information about each project. If you click the Open Project button, you will open that specific project. In the new window that opens, you will see all the project information. At the top, you will see the project name. On the right-hand side, you will see the sell price and your commission. Below the project information, there are 2 main blocks. Agent Affiliate Management, where you can manage all involved agents. And Lead Information, where you can see details about the lead. Below, that is the To-Do List block. Here you can manage all tasks related to the project. You can easily change the due date of a task by clicking the pen and paper icon on the right. Make your changes, and then press Save. The next block is the internal messaging board. Here you can leave messages for anyone working on the project. You can also add an attachment by clicking the paperclip icon. To send the message, simply press Enter or click the paper plane button on the right. The next block is Project Event Schedule. This is the agenda for the project, and it shows any events scheduled for today in the Today's Events section. Below that, you have a map block where you can see the exact location of the property. At the bottom, there are 2 more blocks, Attachments and Recent Activity. The Recent Activity log shows everything team members and agents have done on the project. The next item in the menu is My Files. When you click on My Files, you go to your uploaded files. At the top, you have the following options: a blue Upload from Browser button, Create New Folder, Delete, and Sort By. On the right side, you can switch between Pictogram View and List View. Below, you will see your folders. When you click on a folder, you will see all the uploads inside it. You can open any file by clicking on it. The next option in the menu is My Calendar. When you click on it, the My Calendar page opens. Here you can see your full calendar. On the left side, you will see the color codes for different types of events. You can switch the view between month, week, or day to add a new event. You will need to press the bright orange button in the top right corner. The next option in the menu is My Subscription. Here you can see all your subscription and billing information. The last option in the menu is Settings. Clicking on it will take you to the Settings page. At the top, you can see personal information and next to it company information. On the right-hand side, you will find the Change Password option. When you click on it, you will go to the Change Password page where you can update your password. Now you know the basics and are ready to build your team.